room looks like.
To get to the nighttime routine. Good morning, you guys. Sorry about the heater. Unapologetic though, because I'm literally not turning down my heater. I just got off of work. It is currently 6:15 in the morning, and yes, you heard me right, I just got off of my grave shifts, and it is about 46 degrees outside. So this heater is blasting because baby, my car was so cold. I have leather. Hello. If you're new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed, please. And if you've been here before, welcome on back, family. I thought for today's video I would take you through my whole nighttime routine, because technically this is my nighttime, but a lot of people's mornings, because obviously I just got off of work, so this is my nighttime. I have to start settling down and getting ready to go to sleep. So right after I get off of work, what I tend to do is go to the gym for about an hour and a half ish, do my own thing, and then I usually go upstairs and meet up with my fiance, and we lift heavy weights together. So he gets off a whole hour after me, so it gives me some time to do my own thing at the gym before we do our thing together. Oh my god, I've never seen the window inside so you know you have the little up here for your, you know, the little mirror. I've never seen it frost up before. It's like foggy. Oh, car's getting foggy. Hello? Hot breath? What? Don't do that. Don't play me like that. Don't. Anyway, let's get our butts to the gym. Hopefully we start by 6:30. Let's roll. My heater is still going because I'm cold, y'all. I got my water right here. I'm one of those people who disgustingly puts water in her mouth and pops pre-work out into her mouth. I'm that nasty person. And you can't come for me for it. know I'm looking like bummy on this whole vlog, but if I'm being honest, I am bummy. Since I work grave shift, I don't have to do my makeup. I don't really have to do my hair. So I am a bum on the weekdays. No lie, you guys. I just wiped off my phone in my phone case and everything. I usually take it out when I get home. I always wipe it down with a Clorox wipe. Same with my camera, because my camera was on the ground. It was on the gym ground. It was on every freaking ground you can think of. So I clean my camera off super duper well too with a Clorox wipe whenever we get in the house. Same with my watch. Let me do it right now too. Same with my watch. My watch gets cleaned all the way down with a Clorox wipe as well, because germs are a thing and I'm a mini germaphobe. I am back home and we have a lot to do. It's about 9:47 a.m. I still need to edit today's video to post it before 4. I still need to cook my breakfast. I still need to shower. Let's make my breakfast. I'm sorry I'm whispering again. My fiance is asleep because he is working during the day this week. Even though he usually works grave shift, this week he's not. So really quickly, I made 1 egg yolk, 2 egg whites, 2 pieces of turkey bacon. Yes, I like mine burnt, don't come for me. And I made only about 1/3, a little over 1/3 of oatmeal, and I sprinkled cinnamon on top of it. So usually this is what I do for my breakfast after the gym. Sometimes I have a protein shake with it, or sometimes I'll just do the egg whites, the turkey bacon, with half a slice of a cinnamon raisin bagel. But usually this is what I'm bouncing back between. So surprise, surprise, my fiance is out of bed. He is currently making his avocado toast right now for his breakfast. I wanted to show you guys really quickly what my room looks like. This is what my room looks like during the day. So we have blackout curtains. You can kind of see a little bit of light coming from over there by the blinds, but it's not much. It is pretty dark in here. It's pretty crazy to me, like that you just can't tell it's nighttime or daytime when you go in our room. Let's get to the nighttime routine.
Me and my bitch took a little trip down to the garden, took a little dip, apple juice falling from her lips, took a little sip on. Me and my bitch took a little trip down to the garden, took a little dip, apple juice falling from her lips, took a little sip on. Me and my bitch took a little trip down to the garden, took a little dip, apple juice falling from her lips, took a little sip on. Little sip, took a little sip, took a little sip, took a little.